we'll find out. Nothing special has been done to this cube, but it does feel pretty tight. I like that. Okay, we're gonna get into first turns now. I'm gonna flip the microphone over so you guys can hear it. So this puzzle feels nice, right? They claim that they put stronger magnets, and I can say that the magnets are a little bit stronger on this puzzle, but they're not noticeable, if that makes sense. Like for example, on my current main, the Pharaoh Cube 2, the magnets here do feel strong. You can feel the click of the magnets with this one.